Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I've just got a quick little product review for these LED lights from Zmoon. I'd call these auxiliary lights or an LED mini light bar. This kit comes with 2 of them, and it also comes with the wiring harness. You can see I've got it kind of wired over here on the battery just to give it a little bit of power, just so I can test this before I put it in. Now it comes with a relay already pre-wired, and it's got a little plug-in here for the switch lead. I also wanted to show you it's got this nice inline fuse just molded in there, and it comes with a couple extra fuses here as well. Looks like they're 30 amp fuses, and all of the hardware and some Allen wrenches to mount these little brackets on the back. Now the mounting bracket, it's got these little bolts that go in the top here, and this can slide this direction or up and down. You can also flip this around if you want to mount this with the mounting bolt in the back, and then this bolt, you just put that in first, and it's got a little nut with a lock washer on it. Looks like it'll be pretty easy to mount on just about any application. I'll probably end up using these as auxiliary reverse lights on my truck. Now I've also got them wired up. When they come, they just come just a black and a red wire. That's it's got nothing on the end. So I had to grab a couple of these. I guess just a little male spade connector. That's all it needed, because the female connectors are already wired in, and you can see it's set so that you've got one light here on this harness, and then it's got a little bit of a lead. The harness that it comes with is 10 feet. So on a lot of applications, if you're running it at the back of a vehicle, you'll probably need to splice into that and extend it. For some applications, it'll work just fine. Now these lights, by the way, are 6.5 inches wide from the outside end to the outside end of the body of the light, I guess. And then the height, it's maybe just under 3 inches. So let's go ahead and turn these on just to give you an idea of what it looks like. In the middle of the day here, they're just looking very, very bright. My battery's probably not even fully charged, but these are pretty bright. I wanted to point out that the switch lead has got this little LED, green when it's on and then red when it's off. Instead of just wiring this to the battery, this is the power for the switch. Just wire this to a power source that is only hot or only has power when the car is on. That's the way you can stop that from coming on all the time. Since I'm not going to be using the switch, I've just abandoned that completely, and I cut off the white wire from the switch, or that went to the switch connector. Now this still goes to my relay, so this is what tells or triggers the relay to come on when it gets power. So we just have to just touch that on the battery, and you can see those lights kick on, and you can hear the relay, of course, clicking, doing its job. So a little bit simpler. I'll still run the power all the way to the battery with this fuse. It's a little bit safer to use a relay, and then I'll ground this somewhere in the back where I mount the lights, and then I'll tap into the reverse light power source here, my trailer pin, or I can just get right into the light itself. Overall, I mean, everything works. It looks like a pretty good quality product. It seems to be well made, well packaged, no damage. Everything was included. You will have to pick up a few connectors if you want to use their harness, or you can just cut these off and solder them. And that's it. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll put a link in the description to where you can pick up some of these lights as well from Zmoon. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.